everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen, and today I have the just-in-case case for the new iPhone 14. I have here the iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the case, and it comes with a case and two protective screen protectors. So it's kind of cool. It comes with a little area here, so you open it up here, and it's got two separate sections. I have opened it already because I did already put the screen protector on just in my practice of playing with it and trying it out. But I'll show you here. So this is the screen protector box. Comes like this, and it comes with a little pad, I guess, to put it on, and a nice cleaning cloth that you can just wrap your phone in. It comes with the screen protector, which is this. And what's cool about this one here, their screen protectors versus some of the other ones. And I have another one here, a different one that I've tried. It's still, these other ones still have like a notch or a hole or something like that in there, but it doesn't need it anymore with the new iPhone 14 Pro. So this screen protector that it came with, it's hard to tell because the screen's always on, but there's no, it's just solid up there, so it's good. So that's kind of cool. Hopefully the sound still comes through. I haven't even tried making a phone call on it normally, but I don't think there's any hole for sound, so I think it just is what it is there, and the sound comes out the other areas on the phone. Not even sure where, but I'll let you know, and then it just comments it for some reason that doesn't work. But then we have, so with the screen protector, so you get the screen protector, and then you get this little thing here to put around the outside of it to line it up. If you've used one of the more recent ones, that's the way they work, and it comes with a little cleaning kit for the cleaner and stuff to clean the phone before you put it on, and I've already got it on, so it worked really good. So that was the screen protector part, and then it also comes with a case. And so this case I got comes with a little card. What does this card say? No, just about if you have issues and stuff. But okay, so let's check it out. So this case here, it's kind of like a leatherish looking one. I got the vegan leather version, whatever, so it's plastic. And let's see how this fits. See, I have that camera protector. Ooh, it fits just perfect. Okay, I hadn't put this one on yet. So there, that's what it looks like here. Then I have this extra camera protector plastic on, so that's actually gonna hit down if I put it down. So it's gonna hit that, but probably if I didn't have the protector, the little lip over this would protect the cameras. And it's got the little cutout for the Apple, and it looks really nice, and it's not it's not thick or anything for it being like a leatherish kind of case. It's nice and small. So I like this one, it's pretty cool. Buttons seem to work fine. I mean, the button here, well, I don't even remember my password anymore. I typed it in just now today, there it is. But yeah, I can do the volume and stuff. Seems to work just fine. It's clicky buttons, so it's not just like molded into it. It's actually like a clicky button part on it. And so I like it. It's got the cutout just perfect size for the cameras up there. The Apple seems pretty centered on there. A little bit low maybe, but I guess it's got the little tip of the Apple, so it seems good to me. So I like this case. It's a nice kind of fancier, professional looking one than some of the other ones I have. I usually like the clear ones, like something like this, but this one looks a little nicer, and you can still see it's got the purple, a little bit of it in there. You like to see the color of your phone. But that's it. So I like this case, and it's a thumbs up for me. It fits well, seems to work pretty good. It'll probably be pretty durable as well. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. The link is in the description. Be sure to like my channel and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.